All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I have a video to share with you. When it comes to security or what is going on in our land, about the government, about the people who believe that Biafra it should not be, in fact, nobody should even talk about it. People who believe that talking about Biafra is a waste of time. People who believe that it's a mistake to talk about it or anything at all that has to do with Biafra or even freedom. I always choose my words very, very carefully. You know why? Because this Biafra is for everybody. Freedom is for everybody. People talking about it are not talking about it because they are more in danger than other people. But it's shocking that those who are actually very close to danger are the one talking against or working against those that are actually talking about freedom. God created us in a different way, even though we are still human beings, but we have our mindset and our capability are not the same. Some of you, my temperament and your temperament differs. It's not the same. Something that I enjoy, you may not enjoy it. Something that you enjoy, I may not enjoy it. Something that you can do, I may not do it. Something that I can do, you may not even get close. You see, we know when we know problem when we see one. Like we know when we are in danger sometimes. And as a human being, once you find out that you are in danger, your reaction can never remain the same. It will come naturally. But the moment you begin to see things that things that are abnormal, as if that is normal, as if it's actually normal, there's no problem. That means what makes you a human being has left you. And that is why some of us are kind of very, very careful when it comes to the issue of this jihad enablers. Ndị Igbo na-ekwekwasị na ofu esiere ọla ga-ericha mana ọla siere gị gịnị ife ga na-eme mana ọ bụrụkwa maka oge ndị people megide ọra kpebi na fa ga-atinye poison na ya bụ nne bụ nri a ga-ebu ya ọla ma fa mekiri ọla ezeju na fa mali dị nne ma ya bụ na ndị ọzọ mekiri ọla ga-eri ya bụ nri wee na obodo afọdebe ife ndị ekwu ife a bụ na ndị bụ ndị Igbo are the one hurting themselves. There's a video of Oyobodo that I saw that video this afternoon or this evening, depending on time. I have not watched it complete, but the title, the beginning of that video, will tell you what the video is all about. Because Beardlord came out from prison, and some Igbo people went out to welcome him and appreciate him. I know you would happen to be one. Some Igbo are calling him names and insulting him. That's why he made the video to address or to dress Nagwacha Lazuba. to dress them. Don't mind me. The same thing that we have been saying here. If you don't stand for your house or your family, either you stand for your family or you are against your family. Because the moment you fail to stand with your family, automatically you are working with those who are against your family. I want you to listen to what Ikenga said here. Who said that his name is Ikenga URUAGU, but his real name is Chiboze Egwatu. Why did he put Ikenga URUAGU? Why not Chiboze Egwatu? I find it weird where some people put fake name and fake surname. Honestly, it makes me feel like everything about you is fake and lies. That's why we asked who is Ogekere multiple times. We asked that for a reason. Let me use the opportunity to encourage you, though. I'm going to deviate a little bit because I meant to say this multiple times on my videos. but I'm going to say it here. The 30th of May is coming. And the coming of that 30th of May is expected, you are expected to stand tall and do the needful. And the needful is you in America, or if you can travel to America, please go to the website and register yourself, and your presence is highly, highly needed in Washington, D.C., in the USB head office in Washington, D.C. So please get the tickets and join them there. You get why, please. Very, very important. Now I'm back to the video. Ikenga URUAGU Chibuzo called that Biafran commanders, and he was telling them that he's telling them to come out, and he's gonna give them amnesty and that Anambra State government is gonna do this and do that. The video of Soludo in town hall meeting in America, in UK a few weeks ago, where they destroyed people with massive kind of flyers and all that, is not trending enough. I am still in search of that video because somebody that I saw it on his page, I cannot bring that video because his picture and his voice is there. And why I don't bring some people's video is not because of another thing, but people control their platform differently. So I'm kind of being careful. Okay. But if I lay hand on that, I will share it with you. That video shows that Ikenga Udele, Anambra is not home of haters of Mass Namorokan, proving that what William did by joining hands to profile IPOB is just a child play to compare what Soludo, professor, is doing as we speak. Anyway, that may be a sort of another day because I have to show you this. Honestly, I am very, very angry in my spirit because of so many things. Okay, just hear this.
Wagent afam Ikenga URUAGU. E believe na egbe belu ugo belu. Nke si bie ibena ogosi ebe oyebe. Ana m azọ ndụ, anara m ewepụ ndụ. Ọnya ka o ji abụ oge ọbụla mbi online.
Remember that I told you that I hate lies. It's a lie. Second thing is they believe in case Ebo gave to Ikenga is grave and prison. That is the problem. How can you believe in Ebo? But Ebo go and go see Brucey. One poro n'obodo Afodebe. Which is, I mean, is very, very strange to me. Continue.
Ọnya ka o ji abụ oge ọbụla mbi online inye gị ndụmọdụ ya enyelụ ndụ gị aka. Ụmụ ife nchi gosi unu n'anya ebe onye afụ ogbunigwe. Ife abụ ogbunigwe. Ebute ihe anụnwa na kampụ Jukwese on 19th of February 2026. Ogbunigwe Jukwese ji emebisi ife na-emebisi ala Igbo. Achọrọ m ịgwa Jukwese okwu. Not only him, mma akpọ few people afa. Ọchịagha, Ipenso, Sapele, Jukwese. Mana ka m bidogodu na Jukwese. Jukwese odo m anya na ịma onye bụ odumodu. Ọkwa ịma ike niile odumodu ba. Tata, kele ebe odumodu nọ. Jukwese, ịma onye bụ iko nsọ. Kele ebe iko nsọ nọ. Ịma Donwani, ịma godi impese. Ịnọ maka Donwani. Ke Donwani. Ima Ghana, El Ghana. Ima Abubakar Shakau, El Abubakar Shakau.
When no na compare and there.
If you go sell that for Bonifo Bona will bido. Well,
yes, sir.
Now,
and man, if it wins video wins, they will go about a hotel. I'm just saying, like now, if you win video when it's not exactly made for one particular group or one particular people. I'm just saying. Okay, USSR as a country win video or when so it's not about the size because let's not use this narrative wrongly, you know. Let's continue because I'm not going to analyze anything. If I do, I may cross line, but let me just continue.
Only keep watching go Sapele. You have to take a step, and that step you can take, burn at the right direction. Mama Ikenga, what it takes. Is it today? Nike hi na ema agogi. Mma kudomurogi. Onwe ife Anambra state government yemege. Enyega next. Na ede sure na iji obigi si na ichegariana. Not only Sapele, including other criminals. Unu jila aka unu puta because onwere onye unu ga-aghọgbu. Ịnọrọ ese na na-azọ nwere onwe from who? Nwere onwe from where? Ịtụtụrụ anyị Igbo na-emebisi. Tell all your right. Ama na unu na-eche ka nye unu update calamity. Don't worry. I will not talk for now. But at the right time, may you know updates. Because we find a weapon we live man, surely may you update and in Chinya a yangi unti face will be do and to swear end. Mananda Walafa Keta Kabo Otutu and Bonye Jueteta Botote. Ndine deceive one. Ifedeka Ngozi Orobese and the rest of them. Jukwese. Ndine na sponsor game. Emma Faiwa, you will my video. Send them a follow maybe long. Wesley go see something. Or say what something. You better use your sense. Sapele, aserenge. No bolo, ni achini akenu. Say you no do again. I will stand and make sure Anambra State government am next year.
The level of sabotage in Oketa or Dutube before when it comes to issue of security. Did you hear what he said? For the person that was somebody, I don't know the person. He will video yawa send in a group born. How did he know? Another an insider. Spies are everywhere. Everywhere. Anyway, let's continue.
Any of you, Jiakage Pota, Chinia Kageno, see you surrender, book the walk on in. Must stand. Make sure that you are amnesty. But if you refuse, we will look for you and we will find you, and then you will pay dearly for your sin. Forget that natural open mouth. After you two now for Commander Kanka, when a channel of my men. Okwa Okafa, ne one keta. And we can to answer one open, we got a woony way. Man at the end, Onogamano Mabonian Abuneso. if I be film when you want today.
All right, you heard him right. So many things are attached to this. So many things. He mentioned Ngozi Otabeze, like always.
Good for that.
Come on, even whatever that now. According to DPM, Sampele is also one of the people that are giving him or pointing hands to other Biafrans. I want to say that now level of sabotage they too much. One thing that people don't know is that on attempt to rubbish USB government on Ngozi Otabeze and all that, these guys actually opening doors for their own, for them for others to sabotage them. Such is life. Anyway, like I said, I'm not gonna go deep on this. Like the video, let me know what you think. What's your take? I'm surprised he mentioned Sampele because last time I hear that name is from DPM, and she was saying that Sampele and this guy are the one that are responsible for the disappearance of a lady working in Tommy company. You remember? So these are the things that people need to understand. It is not easy to just see all those things and ignore. But let me know what you think. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Put your comments. I can't wait to read from you. God bless you and take care of yourself.